Video, I'm showing you how to use one of the most powerful and easy formulas in Excel, the IF formula. We'll use it to automatically decide whether a student has passed or failed based on their marks. Let's say you've got a list of student names in one column and their marks in another column. Now, in next column, we want Excel to say pass if the mark is above 33 and fail if it's 33 or below 33. Here's the magic formula, equals IFD, 2 greater than 33, then pass, if not, then fail. Just type this in the first cell, press enter, and then drag it down. Boom. Excel instantly checks every student's mark and gives you pass or fail automatically. No need to calculate one by one anymore. You can even customize it. Write excellent instead of pass, or needs improvement instead of fail. Excel will handle it all for you. And that's how simple the IF formula is. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Excel hacks, and comment below which formula you want next. See you in the next one. It's Sarah. She has a list of employee names and wants... Hey everyone! In today's video, we're using two powerful Excel formulas, unique and count if, to find out who bought what and how many times each product was sold. Let's say you've got a sales list, buyer names in one column, and product names in another column. Now, instead of scrolling forever, we'll use the unique formula to list all the products only once. Just type equals unique select D2 to D31, press enter, and Excel instantly gives you a clean list of every product sold. No duplicates, no confusion. Next, we want to know how many times each product was sold. For that, use the count if formula. Right beside it equals count if select D2 to D31, F5 number sign. Here F5 number sign is the unique list of products. Boom! You've got the total count for each product. And that's how easy it is to use unique and count if together in Excel. Perfect for tracking sales, inventory, or even classroom data. If you found this helpful, hit that like, share it with your Excel buddies, and subscribe for more quick hacks like this. Welcome back to Trenly Excel Tips. Today I'm going to show you a super useful tool in Excel, the right formula, which helps you pull out characters from the right side of any text. Let's jump in. So the right formula is super simple. It looks like this, equals right text, number of characters. That means you tell Excel where the text is and how many characters you want from the right side. And trust me, this formula saves time like crazy. Let's say you have a name with their ID, but you only want the last 6 digits. The numbers? Just type equals right, B26, and boom. You instantly get numbers. No manual cutting, no editing, just one formula. Super handy for IDs, usernames, codes, anything. And that's the right formula. Quick, clean, and extremely useful. Try it out in your sheets and see how much faster your workflow becomes. If you enjoyed this tip, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Excel hacks. See you next to create short abbreviations for each name. In today's quick Excel tip, I'll show you how to total an entire salary table in seconds without typing a single sum formula. So imagine you have 15 employees, and their salaries for January, February, and March are listed in a table. You want total salary for each employee, total salary for each month, and a grand total at the end. Instead of adding rows and columns one by one, select the entire table, including all months. Now press Alt plus equals Excel, instantly inserts all row totals, all column totals, and the grand total, all in one go. No dragging, no typing sum, nothing. Ever wonder? Hey everyone! Welcome back to Trenly Excel Tips. Today I'm showing you a quick trick to turn a column of employee names into rows using the TRANSPOSE feature in Excel. So let's say you have a long list of names in a single column, but you need those names horizontally, across a row instead. No need to rewrite anything. Excel can flip it for you instantly First method, select the entire column of names and copy it. Now right-click where you want the row to start. Choose Paste Special. A pop-up will appear, and at the very bottom, you'll see Transpose. Click it. And boom, your column turns into a row automatically. Quick and clean. Second method, even faster. Copy your list again. Now press Alt plus E plus S. This opens the Paste Special box instantly. Just select Transpose, hit OK, and your column is now perfectly arranged in rows. And that's it. 2 super easy ways to transpose your data in seconds.